This training video is on how to register, activate, and unlock SongSurgeon version 3 for Mac. And we're going to start by simply opening the application, which I'm going to do here on my screen. And as soon as I start the application, you see a dialog that says, do you want to run in the demo mode, or you've purchased it and you want to activate the product. So we're going to assume that you've purchased the product. If you haven't, then you're going to have to run in the demo mode. But as soon as you click the button about activating, it opens this small dialog window. And into this window, you need to insert your first name, your last name, and your email address. And you need to use exactly the same information you used when you purchased, even if you perhaps made a mistake or an error, because our system only knows what you've given it previously. There's a way to correct that, and I'll mention that to you later. So I'm entering my data here. Once I've done that, I click the Submit button, and you can see that it says we've successfully activated the standard version of SongSurgeon. And once the activation is complete, the software opens up, and you can see the main user interface here on the screen. We're going to go ahead now and click the Help button, and then once we do that, About, and you can see that indeed this is SongSurgeon Standard, so that's how you know what version you're running. The next thing we're going to do is go back to this same Help button and go to License, and I want to describe to you what you're going to be doing if by chance you had previously purchased the Standard as we just showed, but now you've decided to upgrade. So you've purchased the Upgrade to Pro, and now you need to activate the Pro. And when you do that, you simply do that by clicking the button that says Activate to Pro, and it will pre-populate the information from your original license into this field, meaning that it will put in the first name, last name, and email address. And then once we do that, we just need to go ahead and click the Submit button. And as you can see, as soon as we click it, it tells us we've now successfully registered the professional version, and tells us one more thing here, then that is that we have to close and reopen SongSurgeon in order for it to acquire the professional license, which is now sitting on your machine. One last thing before I go, I want to mention, or I did mention to you earlier, that if you enter wrong or incorrect data, or simply it becomes outdated and you want to change your customer record, you can do that by going to the home page, and near the top there's a navigation bar, and on the navigation bar look for the link that says My Account. And from that My Account link you can log in. You can see all of the information about your purchases. If you've made more than one, it will also show you how many machines you have registered and what those machines are. So you can manage your account from that My Account tab, and that's how you would change any errors that you may have in your record, or update it if your email address has changed, for example. So that concludes this training video. Thanks. Bye.